Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys one of the ways to earn more on this new live streaming app called GLOwlive. Yes, as you guys can remember, last week I introduced this app to you guys and a lot of people are working on it. A lot of people have cashed out big time on this app because their gains are returning, their gambling are also returning. So if you are just registering, and I want to make it clear for some people that are complaining that their tax is not counting. They will sit on their panel for hours, it will not count. Your tax is counting. The only thing you need to do is just to do what I will tell you in this video right now. So one of the things that will help you to earn very fast on this app is by one, when you enter your room, you see this treasure box here that is dancing. That is the one way. Once it comes down to 0.00 right now, you will see when I click it, it will give me 400 coins. So you pick these 400 coins into 5 times, which is 2,000. That is the first way to earn on this app. Then the second way to earn on this app is when you click on your profile, you click on reward. Are you seeing this place now? It's telling me on here on daily, it's telling me reach 10 followers, it's telling me claim because I have reached 10 followers. Reach 50 followers, it's telling me to claim. Reach 100 followers, it's telling me to claim. That is 6,000 that I will get here right now. So once you register on this app, follow people. Once you follow them, send them message inbox, follow me back, and that person will definitely follow you back. That is how you will accumulate these followers. So let's claim it, confirm. Let's claim another one. Let's claim the last one, 6,000. Okay, that is what I got right here now. Plus 2,000 you will get in your room, making it 8,000. That is the first way to earn more on this platform. Okay, so start making use of it. Are you seeing it? I've gotten this is my coin right now, 7,600. All right, this is what I got from my tax reward. Are you seeing it? Complete the task to receive gold coins, reach 100 followers, 2,000. Today's date is 13. Are you seeing it? 2,000. This 2,000. This 2,000. Have you seen it? Making it 6,000. So if I complete my room goal, making it 8,000. So the second way to earn more on this platform is by making use of your link. Invite people. I say invite and win up to $200. When I click it now, you see I am in Thai 2. Have you seen it? I've already withdrawn $10. Yeah, I withdraw $10 just today. So I am in Thai 2. Thai 2 is $20. So when people keep on using my link to register now, I will keep on getting red packets, which I will spin. Once I spin, either I get a dollar or I get coin or I get all this frame here, right? So that is how you be spin it until you meet one time, you go to another one. So I am on level 2 now, which is 20 time right now. All right. So for the task that you're complaining is not counting, all right, once you are in your room, make sure that you stay up to 15 minutes before going out from your room. Okay, stay there for 15 minutes so that your task will start counting. All right, let me check the message I received from the official. Yeah, they stated this here: dear user in Glow, please make sure your mic 15 consecutively on mic to count. Don't change mic, otherwise your task time will not count. So this is the reason why your task is not counted. Make sure that you sit in your room for 15 minutes before minimizing, before going out from the app. That is why your task is not counted. And when you come here and check on your anchor data now, you check here now. Why this time is still here is because we have not entered a new day. As in from 12 now, this time now will reset. Once you are doing, come to your anchor, check. If you see there is no time here now, when you click on your reward, as you say, I've not started my task today, time will start showing. If it is not showing, please, once you have reached 15 minutes and you come, it's not showing, you log out from the app, then you log in again. Your task will start showing. All right. So I said, let me collect this to my fans and followers have already registered on the app, and those that are intending to register, please take note of these things that I said here, how you can earn more on the app and how you can make your tax to be counting. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, turn on your notifications so that when I make any upload like this, you'll be among the people that will get notified. All right, if you have not registered on GLOwlive, what are you waiting for? Tap that link at my comment section on my description right now. Register on GLOwlive because that is where it's happening right now. And those of you that doesn't like, oh, I don't want to show my face, I don't want any video streaming, this app is for you because it is audio. You sit in your room and perform your tasks and do everything. Oh my god, I'm loving this app, guys. So that's it. Bye bye, guys. See you all in my next one. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose. I am sharing my experience on the apps that I'm working, and it may vary, so make sure that you make your research before joining. Bye bye, guys.